What's up, guys? In today's video we're going to talk to you guys about how to save data on your data plan because we know as a regular person we don't have the money and we don't want to spend more money than we already have, because we know data plans are expensive and most people don't have the money to spend on a mobile data plan for like unlimited service. I mean, yes, you can go to Cricket Wireless, you can go to Metro PCS, you can go to all these other little companies that might not have the best service, but they do offer unlimited data plans. So if you're at Verizon, T-Mobile, AT&T, Sprint, or even US Cellular, you know you're still going to pay $30 for 2 gigs of data. And you can run through 2 gigs of data without knowing it pretty quickly. So here's some tips that I thought might help you guys out. Okay guys, in today's video we're going to talk about how you can reduce your cellular data, because we know a lot of people here don't have full unlimited data plans, which is kind of dumb that they don't do that anymore. So basically what I do is I turn the phone on airplane mode, then put it on Wi-Fi, so I'm not using any cellular data whatsoever. So if I'm at like Starbucks or anything like that, I could just be using their Wi-Fi access point, and I'm not having to run through data plans if I'm checking emails or I'm tweeting a lot for business reasons. It's just, okay, you're just using the Wi-Fi, but you're not going to get your phone calls or your text messages. But if you don't need those at that particular time because you're going to be using the web browser heavily, this is a way to save your data plan tremendously. And over here you're going to go into the Google Play Store, and you can go down to settings, and you have where it says automatic update your applications, and I have mine where it's set to do not automatically update my application. So it'll still send you a notification saying, let's say Hulu, Google Plus, Instagram, they want to be updated, but you can do it on your own time when you're on Wi-Fi. You can have it set where it will only update when you get to Wi-Fi, or you can only have it set where it does not automatically update, where it will only update when you do it manually. Because if you have like 40 apps, you don't want 40 apps to constantly updating, because that will take a lot of your data and kill it. And you can go into the data usage section and have it set where you can move this down and up. You can find out what app is using the most data at what particular time, so you know which app not to use or what app to use. Because I use like Slacker Radio. And another way to do that, instead of using Slacker Radio and Pandora and all these streaming services while you're out in your car, just put a CD in your car, and that's going to save you some battery life and your data use. So one of the ways I can give you guys hints to stop using a lot of data: don't use Slacker Radio, Pandora, or any other streaming services. Make sure you have MP3s on your phone or use CDs, because if you're streaming for a long period of time, you will notice it does eat your data plan up. So even listening to the traditional radio can save you a lot of money, because going over in your data plan isn't that great, because it can start racking up hundreds and hundreds of dollars if you go past your 1 gig or 2 gigs of data. Because at least here in America, the average person gets 2 gigs of data for like $30. And I don't know if a lot of other countries get cheaper data plans or they get unlimited, but here in America it's almost impossible to get an unlimited data plan unless you're on like Cricket Wireless, Sprint, Metro PCS, if you want to get a data plan that is cheaper than playing like Verizon or T-Mobile or any of these other big companies that jack you out of money just to get your data. Oh, I want a data plan, $50 for unlimited or something. So with that being said, guys, hopefully these tips helped you out. But like I was saying, I honestly do think turning your phone into airplane mode and just running through Wi-Fi will save you a lot of data, especially if you're like a Starbucks and you're doing a lot of heavy emailing, especially like a BlackBerry user who heavy emails, or if you're one of those guys who are on social network all day, tweeting, Facebooking, Instagramming, watching YouTube videos in 720p HD, you will see a big difference if you just turn off your cellular data and just run your phone through Wi-Fi, and then once you need a phone call, turn your phone back on and make your phone calls and get your text message on. But that will save you a lot of time and a lot of money. So as always, remember to rate, hate, comment, and subscribe. And those are some tips that I use to save my ass. I thought you guys want some tips, so I will see you guys next time. Peace.